Where they see fear, we see opportunity, turning chaos into growth. Empowered Dean. Close your eyes and imagine this. The world is burning, businesses collapsing, people scrambling, layoffs everywhere, feeds full of fear. The noise is deafening. But amidst this chaos, there's a calm man standing tall, smiling, unshaken, focused. Why? Because where they see fear, he sees opportunity. And today, I'll show you how to become that man. Introduction. Fear, uncertainty, chaos. These aren't just headlines, they're everyday realities. But for those who see through a deeper lens, chaos is not the end. It's the beginning. This video is for you, the young Muslim professional who's navigating a world filled with uncertainty, yet striving to rise with purpose. You're not here to merely survive. You're here to lead, to rise. Because our Deen teaches us, with hardship comes ease. Quran 94:6. Let's decode how fear can be fuel and how chaos becomes your ladder to greatness. Part 1. The psychology of fear. Modern psychology tells us something fascinating. Fear and excitement are neurologically identical. The difference lies in interpretation. According to Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett, our brain doesn't detect emotion, it constructs it. Meaning, when you feel your heart racing in chaos, you can label it fear or reframe it as anticipation. Reflection. Exercise 1. Next time you feel anxious before a meeting, ask, what am I really afraid of? Then reframe. How could this actually be my opportunity to shine? Islamic insight. The Prophet Muhammad during the Hijrah hid in the cave of Thar as enemies hunted him. Abu Bakr R.A. trembled in fear. But the Prophet reassured him, do not be sad. Indeed, Allah is with us. Quran 9:40. That's not denial. That's divine reframing. Part 2. Chaos is the ladder. Chaos isn't a pit. Chaos is a ladder. It's a line from fiction, but deeply real in life. Let's take a real-world story. During the 2008 financial crisis, while most professionals were panicking, a young tech graduate in Pakistan started a freelance blog on data trends. That blog? It turned into a 7-figure AI consultancy. Chaos gave him the edge, because he looked for patterns in the noise. Psychological insight. Dr. Viktor Frankl, a Holocaust survivor and psychiatrist, wrote, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Islamic reflection. The Prophet Yusuf, faced betrayal, slavery, and prison. Yet every chaotic moment led him up the ladder, from the bottom of the well to the throne of Egypt, not in spite of chaos, through it. Reflection. Exercise 2. Write down a chaotic event from your past. Then ask, what did this event awaken in me that ease never could? Part 3. The courage to rise. It's not enough to recognize opportunity. You must act on it with courage. Contemporary research by Dr. Brené Brown shows that vulnerability is not weakness. It's courage in action. Sharing ideas, trying new things, facing rejection, that's courage. Prophetic model. The prophet saw return to Makkah after 20 years, not with revenge, but mercy. That took courage. Real courage is graceful power, not noisy bravado. Practical application. Join that online course. Ask for the feedback you're scared to hear. Apply for the role even if you're not 100% ready. Reflection. Exercise 3. Ask, what is one action I've delayed out of fear? What would my life look like if I did it anyway, for the sake of growth and trust in Allah? Part 4. Moral correction in chaos. Chaos doesn't just expose weakness, it reveals values. In times of economic or social turmoil, people are tempted to cut corners, but your Deen reminds you, integrity is never optional. Hadith. Leave that which makes you doubt for that which does not make you doubt. Tirmidhi. Real-life scenario. A young startup founder once faced a moment: inflate user metrics to attract investors, or stay honest and risk rejection. He chose honesty, lost funding short-term, but a year later, he gained a loyal investor who valued integrity over hype. Psychological insight. Cognitive dissonance arises when actions don't match values. Staying morally upright in chaos keeps your internal compass stable and your growth sustainable. Part 5. Your personal ladder. Here's the truth. You don't need to wait for chaos to climb. Start building your ladder today. Build it through daily reflection, muhasaba. End each day asking, where did I show courage? Where did I hide? Personal growth plans. Use the SMART model: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to set professional and spiritual goals. Dicker plus journaling. Center your soul before centering your schedule. Dua to reflect on. O Turner of Hearts, keep my heart firm on your religion. Tirmidhi. Because amidst chaos, it's not just about rising higher, but staying upright. My brother, my sister, remember this: they will always see fear. But we, the ummah of courage, of faith, of resilience, we see opportunity. Chaos is not our enemy. It is our proving ground. You were born to rise, built for difficulty, destined for impact. So the next time the world says run, you say, Bismillah. Let's climb. If this message stirred something in you, don't scroll away. Reflect. Share this video with someone who needs this message today. And comment below, what chaos are you climbing through? Subscribe to Empowered Deen. We rise together,